Welcome to ProjectVentive channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. In this video, we will talk about what is Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere is an advanced robotic process automation (RPA) platform that enables businesses to automate tedious and repetitive tasks. The software is designed to free up valuable resources and reduce operational costs. Automation Anywhere enables organizations to increase efficiency and accuracy by automating simple or complex processes, such as data entry, customer service, or customer onboarding. Additionally, Automation Anywhere provides a set of tools that enable businesses to quickly and easily design, deploy, and manage automated workflows with its intuitive user interface. Automation Anywhere enables users to create automated processes with minimal effort. Automation Anywhere also offers powerful analytics and reporting capabilities to help businesses understand the impact of their automation efforts. With the help of Automation Anywhere, businesses can improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. It also helps organizations streamline mundane tasks, save time, and eliminate human errors associated with manual processing. Automation Anywhere allows users to combine multiple applications into one workflow, so they can reduce the number of steps needed to complete a process. In addition, the platform makes it easy for teams to collaborate on projects, which helps speed up implementation times. Finally, Automation Anywhere makes it easy for IT teams to monitor processes, troubleshoot issues, and analyze performance in real time, allowing them to better understand and optimize automation initiatives. The benefits of Automation Anywhere. 1. Increased efficiency. Automation Anywhere can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, which can significantly increase the efficiency of business operations. This can lead to faster completion of tasks, higher productivity, and improved accuracy. 2. Cost savings. Automating tasks can also lead to cost savings, as it reduces the need for human labor. Additionally, Automation Anywhere can automate tasks that are error-prone, which can help to reduce costs associated with errors and rework. 3. Improved accuracy and quality. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks with a high degree of accuracy and consistency. This can lead to improved data quality and reduced errors, which can have a positive impact on the overall quality of the business operations. 4. Scalability. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks at a high speed and scale, which is important for companies that are growing and need to handle increasing amounts of data and processes. 5. Better customer service. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks such as customer service interactions, which can lead to faster response times and more accurate responses. This can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. 6. 24 hours operational. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks for 24 hours, which can help to improve the availability of services and reduce downtime. 7. Compliance. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks related to compliance and regulatory requirements, which can help to reduce the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Furthermore, it eliminates the need for manual inputting and tracking of data, which saves time and energy. Automation Anywhere also helps to streamline business processes, making them faster and easier to manage. By automating certain tasks, businesses are able to work smarter and more efficiently, which leads to increased profitability. Additionally, Automation Anywhere enables businesses to collect and analyze data from different sources quickly and easily. Another major benefit of Automation Anywhere is its ability to integrate with other tools and software programs. This makes it easy to customize and scale up the automation process as needed. Additionally, Automation Anywhere enables businesses to access and analyze data from disparate sources, leading to better decision-making. Overall, Automation Anywhere offers numerous advantages that can help businesses save time, money, and improve efficiency. By automating tedious tasks, businesses can focus on more value-adding activities while ensuring accuracy and consistency in their operations. Automation Anywhere can be used to automate anything from customer support, finance and accounting processes to supply chain management. It also helps automate marketing campaigns and social media posts, allowing businesses to stay ahead of the competition. With Automation Anywhere, businesses can build end-to-end automation solutions using simple drag-and-drop commands without needing coding skills. Moreover, Automation Anywhere provides APIs that allow integration with various applications and databases. This makes it even simpler for businesses to create custom automation solutions that meet their unique needs. Finally, Automation Anywhere's platform provides powerful analytics capabilities. So businesses can measure the performance of their automation solutions and optimize them accordingly. The different types of Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere is a powerful automation tool that can be used to automate a wide range of tasks and processes. It offers users the ability to automate virtually anything, from simple everyday tasks to complex business workflows. As such, Automation Anywhere can be used in many different ways and applications. Here is a look at some of the most popular types of Automation Anywhere automation. Number 1. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic process automation is a type of automation that uses software robots to automate tasks. RPA is one of the most popular uses for Automation Anywhere, as it allows businesses to automate a wide range of mundane and repetitive tasks with ease. Number 2. Cognitive Automation. Cognitive automation is a type of artificial intelligence-based automation that uses natural language processing. Cognitive automation can be used to automate complex decisions, optimize operations, and automate customer service inquiries. Number 3. Chatbot Automation. Chatbot automation is another popular use for Automation Anywhere. Chatbot automation allows businesses to create automated chatbots that can respond to customer queries and complete tasks for customers. Number 4. Web Automation. Web automation is another popular use for Automation Anywhere. Web automation allows businesses to automate web-related tasks such as website navigation, data extraction, form filling, and more. These are just a few of the different types of Automation Anywhere automation available. With its powerful features and capabilities, Automation Anywhere can be used to automate virtually any task or process you can think of. With the right setup, Automation Anywhere can help your business save time, money, and resources while increasing efficiency. Automation Anywhere's scalability also makes it perfect for organizations of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, Automation Anywhere has something for everyone. What's more, Automation Anywhere's cloud platform makes deploying and managing automation projects incredibly easy, no matter where you're located. Additionally, Automation Anywhere also offers numerous integration options. So you can integrate it into your existing systems without having to start from scratch. The user-friendly interface and comprehensive support also make Automation Anywhere easy to learn and understand. Finally, Automation Anywhere's excellent security makes it the perfect choice for enterprises that need to protect their sensitive data. How to use Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere is a powerful automation tool that can help businesses streamline their processes and save time. By using robotic process automation, businesses can automate mundane repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic work. With the right implementation and usage, Automation Anywhere can provide businesses with greater efficiency and cost savings. To get started with Automation Anywhere, businesses must first create an account and select a license type. Automation Anywhere offers several different types of licenses that can accommodate businesses of any size. Businesses can then upload bots and tasks to their account, as well as create new ones. After setting up the automation tasks, users can then activate them by setting triggers. Finally, businesses can monitor the progress of their automated tasks via dashboards and reports. By automating their processes, businesses can reduce the amount of time spent on mundane, repetitive tasks and free up resources for more important work. Automation Anywhere can also provide detailed reports about process performance and insights into areas where additional improvements can be made. With the right usage and implementation, Automation Anywhere can help businesses save time and money while improving overall efficiency. Some of the specific uses of Automation Anywhere include: Number 1. Data entry and data processing. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks such as data entry, data extraction, data validation, and data migration. It can also automatically process large amounts of data and extract useful information from it. Number 2. Customer service interactions. Automation Anywhere can automate customer service interactions, such as responding to customer emails, chats, and phone calls. It can also be used to automate the process of creating and updating customer records. Number 3. Email and website interactions. Automation Anywhere can automate tasks such as sending and receiving emails, filling out online forms, and interacting with websites. This can be used to automate tasks such as order processing, ticketing, and appointment scheduling. Number 4. IT tasks. Automation Anywhere can also be used to automate IT tasks, such as software deployments, backups, and maintenance tasks. This can improve the efficiency and reliability of IT operations. Number 5. Document processing. Automation Anywhere can automate document processing tasks such as data extraction from invoices, purchase orders, resumes, and more. Number 6. Automating workflows. Automation Anywhere can automate different workflows like accounts payable, accounts receivable, HR onboarding, and more. Automation Anywhere can also integrate with other tools and systems, such as CRM and ERP systems, to automate tasks across different business systems. Additionally, Automation Anywhere includes a wide range of features that make it easy to create, manage, and monitor automation tasks, such as a drag-and-drop interface, task scheduling, and analytics and reporting. What does the future hold for Automation Anywhere? The future of Automation Anywhere is bright. As technology continues to advance, so too will Automation Anywhere's capabilities. In the near future, Automation Anywhere plans to introduce more AI-driven features that will enable it to handle more complex tasks. Additionally, they plan to expand their platform to include cognitive bots that can learn from experience and adapt accordingly. In addition to expanding its capabilities, Automation Anywhere also plans to make their product more accessible to small businesses. To accomplish this, they are developing self-service tools that allow users to easily set up automated tasks without needing to consult a specialist. These tools will help make Automation Anywhere available to a wider range of businesses, further expanding its reach and impact. As we look towards the future of automation, it's clear that Automation Anywhere will play an important role in helping businesses become more efficient and cost-effective. With its powerful features and expanded accessibility, businesses of all sizes can benefit from the power of automation. Companies who use Automation Anywhere can not only save time and money but also increase efficiency and productivity. Furthermore, the use of robots allows businesses to keep up with the latest trends in technology and remain competitive in the market. With such potential benefits, it's no wonder why Automation Anywhere is becoming increasingly popular amongst companies who want to stay ahead of the curve. Moving forward, Automation Anywhere will continue to develop new features that facilitate even smoother and more efficient operations. As automation technologies continue to evolve, so too will the potential of Automation Anywhere, making it an invaluable tool for businesses today and in the future. To ensure businesses are taking full advantage of Automation Anywhere's offerings, it's important to stay informed on the newest releases and how to properly use the tool. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then hit like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.